just got this package from YouTube. I'm going to open it in a couple of seconds. First, I want to say, wow, I can't believe I just got this package. I wonder what it could be. It's pretty heavy. I already opened it a while ago. It was just this little toy that they got for kids that did it. But I want to show you guys it, so I'll open it right now. So, 3, 2, 1. What the heck? What the heck?
You put me in here.
I didn't put you in there.
I mean, be sure to brush your teeth.
Stupid YouTube. Get back in there.
No.
Get in there.
No, let me out. No.
Let's try this again. That's better. Sup guys, thank you for watching this. It was 100% real. So, thank you, and it was not fake, it was real. All that was real. I got a package from YouTube to brush my teeth. So, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. A like, comment, and subscribe. A like, comment, and subscribe.